So up to this point, we're able to learn how to handle missing values in our data set. So in case if you are done working with the data set you just made use of, so you can actually save it to your computer by make use of just simple as this. You can say df.what.to_CSV. So this underscore to CSV is going to help you to save that of the file. There are a whole lot of other ones, .Ezee to Excel. Here I'm going to put the part 1, so I can put my part here, and then I'm going to put what is called index. You can set the index to be true or false. If you set index, it's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you set it to true, but in most cases, it is a good idea if you set it to what? False. Here is going to be the part, maybe something like document slash maybe how to do with maybe your files. Here is going to be the part to the file you want to save it to, and you can set the index to false. But it's sure you want the index to have those 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's not actually the best way to do that. I'll advise you to remove that. So that's basically what us to look at in this video, how to save your file. In this situation, let me try to save this of our file. I can say remade the CSV. I want to see, I said to CSV, so I want to save it in CSV. So all this effect that we did here is going to take place. So let's run this, and remember that we're interested in that of the row 10. So let's run this. It's going to be saved in this my folder here, which is YouTube folder. So I'm expecting it to be saved somewhere here. Signify that it runs successfully. So let me look for this of the remade.csv. So let's look at it. You can see it was actually from that of the row. Neglect this of the colon names. That's from row 0 to that of the row 10, like how only 10 row, like how we specified. So let me remove this because we actually we're interested in this of the row 10. So you can see that all the effects we did took effect. Let me put this to this CSV editor. Let me close this. See, you can see here that let's look at total price. You can see that total price, you can see we got 524, like how we saw in our previous video. So this is actually the mean of these two guys, and for that of the other ones, which is these guys, it did these two guys and did the mean for all these other spaces, other non spaces. So you can see that it took, if you're just by saving it, just by simply doing this .csv. In case if you do not want to save it in CSV file, you can save it in other files of your choice, like that of the .excel, a whole lot of other ones of them. But you can see it on my screen. You can do a whole lot of other ones, other ways you can actually do that. So this is basically what us to look at in this video. We can actually call it like exporting your file you are done working on. So I think this should be it. If you enjoy, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.